Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji or Shivaji Bhosle, was a legendary Indian warrior king and the founder of the Maratha Empire in the 17th century. He was born on 19th February 1630 in the Shivneri fort in present-day Maharashtra, India. Shivaji's life is filled with incredible achievements, bravery, and strategic prowess, making him a revered figure in Indian history. Shivaji's early life. Shivaji was born to Shahaji Bhosle, a prominent Maratha general, and Jijabai, a devout and courageous mother who instilled a strong sense of Hindu pride and valor in him. At a young age, Shivaji displayed signs of leadership, intelligence, and a passion for Hinduism and Maratha culture. The formation of the Maratha Empire. In his early adulthood, Shivaji established his own kingdom by capturing a few forts and regions from the Bijapur Sultanate and the Mughal Empire. He believed in the idea of Hindavi Swarajya, self-rule for Hindus, and was committed to liberating his people from the oppressive Mughal and Adil Shahi rule. The coronation as Chhatrapati. In 1674, Shivaji was crowned as the Chhatrapati, Emperor of the Maratha Empire. The coronation ceremony took place at the Raigad fort, and from then on, he was addressed as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Military campaigns and administration. Shivaji was a brilliant military strategist and employed guerrilla warfare tactics that enabled him to defeat much larger and powerful adversaries. He not only expanded his kingdom but also created a well-organized administration with efficient revenue and governance systems. Shivaji was a fair and just ruler, promoting religious tolerance and treating his subjects with respect. Naval power and fortifications. Recognizing the importance of naval power, Shivaji built a strong navy to protect the coastal regions of his empire. He also fortified numerous forts, many of which still stand today as a testament to his architectural brilliance and military acumen. Treaty with the Mughals. Shivaji's interactions with the Mughal Empire were complex. After some confrontations with Aurangzeb, the Mughal Emperor, Shivaji signed the Treaty of Purandar in 1665, which briefly established a shaky alliance between the two powers. However, due to disagreements and misunderstandings, the treaty was not upheld for long. Legacy. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away on 3rd April 1680, leaving behind a legacy of valor, courage, and administrative acumen. His vision and efforts laid the foundation for the Maratha Empire, which played a significant role in shaping the history of India. Shivaji Maharaj's life and achievements continue to inspire people across India, and he is considered a national hero and an embodiment of courage and leadership. His legacy lives on in numerous monuments, books, films, and festivals dedicated to honoring his memory and the Maratha heritage.